This is the Mercedes W115 ignition switch. And I guess most of you know to loosen the collar. And you gotta have the key, turn the key so this pin goes in, and then the whole assembly comes out. Then after you take the assembly out, the key was broken off in there. And I got the other half of the key and I got it out. So then there's a switch in the back. You undo the 3 screws, take out the switch, put the 3 screws back in, set that aside, and then you install this. I polished mine. It says diesel on it. You install that in the hole in the dash, and then you can start your car with a popsicle stick or a flathead screwdriver. That simple. There's your ignition switch. Never have to worry about locked front wheels again. You don't have to have it towed to the shop, drill the thing out, have it removed, pay for a new one of these. You just have this. And on my 240D, you pull the knob out to preheat and then pull the knob all the way out to start the car. This is merely an on-off switch. So this way, the car is simple. As long as the doors are unlocked, I don't even need my keys.